What's up guys, I'm Hyperion. Today, I'm going to be reacting. Yeah. Let's watch. I have a soft spot for him. Nice intro. Last a bit too long. No, I don't want to like and subscribe and comment and all that. Oh my god. Ah! It's so cute! Ah! Oh my god! No way! Oh, it's so cute. I want one. I want one. Please. It's so cute. Oh my god. That's just terrifying. That's not cute at all. Oh my god, what's happening? Cool. That's such a long time. Oh! 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 Why would you do that? That's tight. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, that's so cute. Give me one. Oh my god. I want one so bad. It's got a nappy on. Ah! I'm dead. Oh my god. Look at that. It's got a nappy. It's so cute. Aww. Feeding a raccoon. Oh my god. It's so cute. Let me just see how long. Oh. Okay. I'm sad now. Whatever. See you later. Bye.